Hi friends, my name is Vishal. Welcome to my another vlog. Today I am going to show you guys my neighborhood. I know it's been long that I have not made any vlog, but yeah, now I will try to make my vlog regularly. Stay tuned, I will show you the beautiful neighborhood where I live. And friends, the place where I live, here we have lots of horses around. If possible, I will try to show you guys some of the horses. And yeah, these days, like I have started reading a new book. The name of the book is The Power of Awakened Mind. I will share some tips with you how it is. Till then, see the view. Yeah friends, so this is the neighborhood where I live right now. It is called Southlands. Have a look. Yeah, so this is one of the most beautiful neighborhood in Vancouver. I will show you guys around. Stay tuned. Yeah friends, so remember I told you that I was reading the book The Power of Awakened Mind. So in that book I learned a lot of cool things I would share with you. One of the cool things was that as there was one movie and even a series of book called Secret, in which they tell us about visualization and power of affirmations, and you can get what you think. So this book is something like that only, but in this book they basically say we need to feel the end result what we want. So the universe, what happens that when we feel the end result, universe get the vibration and signals of what we want, and slowly later on the imagination becomes reality. So it's all about positive mindset, first thing. And the second thing is we need to feel what we want to achieve in our life, and the feeling will help us get the end result. Yeah, see you guys. Hi friends, right now I am in Southlands Farm with Tasha. She is the owner of this place and she will explain you what this place is around and everything. Yeah.
Awesome. let's do it. Hey. Hi guys, I'm Tasha. This is Southlands Heritage Farm, and this is a family-run business. We've been here for 15 years, and we do pony rides on the weekends. We have horses, we have chickens, we have ducks. There's little baby goats here. And then in the summertime, we do riding camps and farm camps. Even for preschoolers, we do preschool camps. And during the year, we do riding lessons. And we're open to the public on weekends. And come visit us. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
So here we have a couple kids doing riding lessons. This is our pony Bingo, and he is our pony ride pony, this little guy. Make sure to check out the goats, which are, you're gonna have to go over there.
Okay.
But if you come to the farm, make sure to say hi to our goats.
Yeah, definitely, guys.
We've got 4 goats here. There's Oreo.
Okay.
You'll have to go in there. Look at this. You get the tour today. This is good timing.
Yeah.
At a farm, you always have to shut the gate. So we're going to shut the gate.
Yeah.
Alright, let's say hi to these goats. Look at these guys. This is Peaches. And this one's Apple. And that one's Acorn. Hi Peaches. Hi Oreo. And they're the friendliest little goats.
Yeah, these goats are really beautiful. Yeah.
So nice. You always say hi to the horses. They're all chilling in the sunshine. Watch your bum. You're always gonna try.
Always ready to escape, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how did you find out about our farm?
I live right here.
You're right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I thought, why should I not make a vlog on my street? So I was just going here. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm so glad you stopped by. I can show you the market,
Yeah, sure.
and then you can tour around and film.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
The clock spins fast, but I hold still. Chasing dreams, but lose my will. The stars all fade, but you stay bright, guiding me through endless night.
So, on the weekends,
Yeah.
this area is always filled with kids playing.
Okay.
And
Wow.
there was a tire scene here. And then this, look how cute this sign is.
The mouse.
The mouse, this is the mouse.
Okay.
On the front side, it's really beautiful. But this is where we do farmers markets. So we
Okay.
have farmers markets and we sell all the flowers from the farm. And so this rhubarb all
Yeah.
came from Gibson's,
Okay.
from my brother-in-law's farm. So
Okay.
we brought it over. This is like Gibson's rhubarb. And then look how pretty this is in here. It's like,
Yeah, this place looks really beautiful and amazing.
we're so lucky we've got the most amazing master gardener.
Oh.
But all of these little blossoms will turn into apples.
Oh.
So this whole area used to be a daffodil farm.
Okay.
So the daffodils are done now, but in like earlier end of March, it's all daffodils.
Oh,
Super cool. We've got like some bees.
yeah.
Get the cat out of your video.
I got her.
Did you?
See.
Oh my gosh. So cute. Love it.
And how much do you charge for the lessons, like horse lessons?
Everything's online on our website,
Okay,
but they start at about $80.
okay,
So pony rides on the weekends are $10, and then riding lessons, we all do private lessons. So 30 minutes is about 80 or 90, and
Okay.
then 45 minutes is maybe 100.
okay. Thank you very much. Yeah.
We've got like our resident rooster.
Wow.
That's so cute, right?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you very much for the tour. Yeah. And would you like to say anything else, like to the audience, just in
To
general?
the audience.
Yeah.
Oh, come visit the farm. This is, I think, one of the most magical places in Vancouver. So you're welcome anytime.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Okay, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
coming by.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
welcome.
Hi friends, so this was the tour of Southland Farms. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, all of you who lives in Vancouver, definitely come here and have a good experience. They have a lot of cool stuff going on here. And yeah, so this is the place. If you want any more details, comment. I will share more details about the place. Yeah. Now let's continue visiting my neighborhood. Yeah. Okay friends, now I will talk about other thing which I learned during the period. Like I saw a video in which they told us like how can we be more successful in life. You know, for that there was a test conducted. In that test they said write down in a piece of paper what do you want to achieve in life. Okay, someone would say that I want to become an entrepreneur, so just write the thing what you want to achieve in your life. Okay, so that was the question, and after that what you have to do, write 20 answers of that same questions, how you gonna achieve it. So this was a test. So suppose I want to become a software engineer or anything, what is your dream job or what you want to achieve, write 20 things. So I think first 4 or 5 answers would be very much easy. and after that you need to be doing brainstorming to find the answers. So rest 10 answers would be your brainstorming, and you would need to figure out what you need to do. And the last 5 answers would be really difficult. You need to really dig deep down inside you to understand what do you want to achieve in your life and how it's gonna be. So yeah, so after doing this exercise, what happened that it came out to be that people get mental clarity, how they gonna achieve the goal which they have in their life. So yeah, this was one of the very good experiment I did for myself also, and yeah, I would recommend to all of my audience to do it. Yeah friends, so in this journey I will show you some of the really cool houses also. I'm heading towards the location, but yeah, and what was happening, other things like I would say I had one of my subjects called e-commerce. So in the e-commerce we have to make an online e-commerce website where we have to sell products. So for that I made an e-commerce website, and the details of the website I will share later on. But yeah, so during my classes we were taught like about human psychology, and one of the most important thing was like the brand which we are creating online. We should have a vision, we should have a statement, and we should have a value proposition of our company which these are the 3 important things which we need to have. After that we will do all the market research, do the competitor analysis, 7C analysis, Porter analysis, and all different analysis to know how to succeed. And yeah, SWOT analysis is one of the basic analysis. So yeah, so this like last 1 month I would say was like really hectic. We did a lot of work, I with my few of the group and classmates. Yeah, so it was really cool. Now I will show you around. Yeah friends, and other thing was like I was studying human resource management. So in that we have to go through psychometric test to know our personality, and it was like the test which I have to go through is known as Indigo test. So it is one of the paid version of the test, and after completing the test it gives us the result, like 40-page result, which tells us like the detailed analysis of our personality. So yeah, I have not gone through the test yet, but I believe on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, I will go through the test, because I have to prepare an assignment and report accordingly. So yeah, and in human resource what happened that we learned a lot about personality and traits, like what are the human personalities, what are the different theories, and like what different researchers told or explained about the human behavior, human traits, and those things. So yeah, I learned a lot of things here, and in future vlogs I will definitely share with you guys these things. I hope till now you guys are enjoying the vlog. Yeah. So friend, the neighborhood where I live is this one, and there are lots of private and public barns around here, so you guys can come and visit, have a look. This is one of the most, I would say, beautiful place around here in Vancouver.
Bright lights, big dream, it's all a masquerade. Stars falling faster than a cheap parade. Golden gates open wide, but the fame won't last. It's a Hollywood.
Yeah friends, so right now I am here in front of the Fraser River. Have a look and I will show you guys cool houses here. Yeah friends, so in my neighborhood I have two golf courses. One is in the left side of my neighborhood, one is in the right side of my neighborhood. So I have two golf courses. One is this one, another one is that side, which I will show you in some other vlog, if possible. Yeah. Yeah friends, so right now here is Southland Riding Club. If you guys have free time, come here, check it out. It is also one of the cool places around in my neighborhood. And yeah, I think this vlog has been a very long vlog, and I guess I will wrap the vlog right here right now. I hope you guys are doing really great in your life. Till then, see you guys.